Volta Belting, the next step in belting. SuperDrive Belt Welding. Required tools and materials: double-sided adhesive tape, anti-cut gloves, pitch gauge, utility knife, V-trim knife, SuperDrive cutting bar. Use the cutting bar to cut the belt between the teeth, ensuring a 90-degree cut and the correct pitch. Repeat this procedure for the opposite belt end. Place the double-sided adhesive tape. Cut the tape away from the teeth grooves in the base. Remove the protective paper of the double-sided adhesive tape. Place 4 pieces with the same thickness as the belt. Place the locator bar. Make sure the 3.0 to 5.0 millimeter mark is on the top side. Place one end of the belt against the locator bar. Make sure to align the edge of the belt with the reference mark on the locator bar. Make sure there are no gaps between the belt edge and the locator bar. Repeat this procedure for the opposite belt end. Set the crossbars in place and tighten the knobs. Clean the edges with industrial acetone. Using the operating handle, apply gentle pressure until a uniform excess of welding material is present along the entire belt width. Quickly remove the welder and lock the adjusting lever. Wait for cooling. Trim the welding excess material. Check the welding. Check the pitch using the pitch gauge set. Volta Belting, the next step in belting.